Want to take your coaching business to the next level? Today I'll show you why GoHighLevel is the one that can help you achieve that. If you're tired of handling multiple tools for managing your clients, selling courses, building funnels and all, then you are in the right place. And I'm going to show you how to simplify everything from client management to sales funnels all under one platform. Plus, I'll also reveal why it's the best time to take your business to GoHighLevel. Hey, my name is Ram and I've been in the online industry for quite a few years, and I know firsthand the struggles of signing up for multiple tools for managing your business. And I've seen firsthand how this platform can change the game for your coaching business. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll clearly understand how much you've been spending unnecessarily on different tools for managing your business, and that also with a lower result, and why GoHighLevel is the best platform for your business. Plus, I'll also share with you one game-changing feature that GoHighLevel has introduced that can help you get more clients easily. So what exactly makes GoHighLevel the perfect tool for coaches and consultants? So all this time you must have heard about GoHighLevel, this and that, and how it's beneficial for agencies and marketers. But you might not have heard what exactly makes GoHighLevel a perfect tool for coaches and consultants. So here's the thing, with GoHighLevel you can create courses, funnels, webinars, communities, manage leads, automate follow-ups, set up sale funnels, and even collect payments in under one platform. Now think about this, how many tools are you using for your coaching or consulting business? Now let's say you are selling courses, and yeah, of course there are a lot of platforms that offer course builders, but how many of them offer email marketing? And even if they do they have SMS capabilities? And by the way, SMS has an open rate of 98% compared to emails, which is only around 15 to 40% maximum. And how many contacts do those platforms allow you to keep? HighLevel allows unlimited access to everything, whether it's websites, funnels, domains, contacts, and everything. Now let's discuss all the features that GoHighLevel has that can help you generate more sales and manage your students. I'll start with the most basic thing and cover the rest in a streamlined way so that you can understand and know the benefits you can get with GoHighLevel. So number one is courses and communities. The very first thing you get with GoHighLevel is the courses and communities builder, which you can get access to with the basic plan itself. It's similar to other platforms where you can create courses, but it's not limited to one or two courses. You can create unlimited courses. Then there are communities and groups, which is somewhat similar to school, and I'll go about it in detail later in this video. Anyway, before we go further with this video, if you're thinking of signing up with GoHighLevel, then reach out to me first. I will help you choose the right plan based on your needs. And if tech isn't your thing, I also have a wide level version of GoHighLevel with full support. That way you'll have a smooth setup and an ongoing support for you. And if you would like to know more about GoHighLevel and connect with like-minded entrepreneurs, I also have a free community built inside of GoHighLevel. You can just join it and take advantage of the community. I'll leave the link in the description below. Number two, funnels and websites. To sell your courses or community, you'll need a funnel with a landing page where people that wants to buy for you can learn more about your courses and see the pricings and the offer you are offering. And it is super easy to set up the payment processors too inside of that landing page within GoHighLevel. You can integrate almost all the payment processors in GoHighLevel, like Stripe, PayPal, Square, Razorpay, etc. etc. Number three is email and SMS marketing. The next thing you need for marketing is email and SMS marketing, which is an integral part of GoHighLevel. The best thing is you don't have any limits to how many contacts you can add inside of GoHighLevel. Unlike other platforms where there are so many restrictions. For example, you can only add 300 contacts, 500 contacts, 1000 contacts, and the price go higher with the contacts that you store in there. But with GoHighLevel, it's unlimited. It's the same with websites and funnels. With GoHighLevel, you can add as many domains as you want and build as many websites, funnels that you want for your business. And number four is AI and automations. Now to get more done with less effort, you need AI and automation, especially in this age of AI, to run your business and scale it further. And GoHighLevel doesn't lack in this frontier too. It is an awesome AI and automation pack, and just like all the other features, with this also you don't have any limitations. Within the automation, there are more than hundreds of triggers which you can use to build different kinds of automations for your business and make running your business easier. And as far as the AI usage goes, you can go with the pay-per-use option, or purchase the unlimited plan, which is only $97 per month, and you can use all the AI features like AI bots, voice AI, and other AI features for unlimited. To learn more about it, check out one of my previous videos. I'll leave the link in the description, or you can find the link to the video in the card above here. Alright, the next is webinars. Now to sell a course or program, there are lots of strategies that you can use. And if you are a webinar kind of guy, GoHighLevel also has a webinar feature where you can create a webinar within a few clicks. And apart from webinar, you also have a lot of different features that can help you generate more leads and sales. Features like customizable forms, surveys, QR code generators, etc. that can aid you in your marketing efforts. And number 6, affiliate program builder. Out of all the marketings that you can do for your business, affiliate program is one of the best marketing strategies that you can use to generate more sales for your business. And within GoHighLevel, you can easily set up your own affiliate program, and your students or clients, they can additionally promote your courses for you. Now, as I mentioned earlier, with GoHighLevel, which only costs $97 per month, you can replace all the other softwares that you're using for your coaching or consulting business. Now, there are some additional costs with GoHighLevel. For example, if you want to purchase a phone number, and also there are additional charges to SMS and email, but it will only be a fraction of a cost in compared to the other platforms that you are using now. Lastly, let's get to the part why it will be easier for you to sell your courses and program with GoHighLevel. You must remember the first feature that I talked about, which is the community or the group builder inside of GoHighLevel. And I told you it's just like school. And you probably know that within school, you can build your community and monetize it easily, especially with the discoverability feature that school has within its marketplace. And GoHighLevel has come up with the same feature. Before, there was only the community builder and the group feature, which you had to promote to monetize your GoHighLevel community. But now GoHighLevel has introduced their own marketplace like school named GoCollab Marketplace. And I think this year they are going to heavily promote this feature. And with lots of people joining GoCollab Marketplace, your community that you build inside of GoHighLevel can be easily discoverable inside of that marketplace. And this will make your community discoverable to the people that are looking what you are providing. And from there, you can sell your course or program, whatever you have. And once again, if you're ready to sign up for GoHighLevel, you can reach out to me or use my affiliate link so that I can help you choose the right program and help you set up your account and all those things. And I also have a community for my affiliates where I share important valuable things like snapshots, marketing strategies, tips and tricks, and all those things. And it is paid for the other people that are not my affiliate, but if you sign up using my link, you will get access to that community also. By the way, don't forget to sign up to my free course, which you can get in the free community too. So I'll leave the link to all those things in the description. And lastly, I've got more videos like this coming up, so make sure to subscribe and push the notification button so that you don't miss out on those videos.